Dear teachers and principals, welcome back to another video in the SOF Brochure series. In today's video, we will walk you through the book order form which you will get inside the brochure. Let's get started. On the first page, you will find details about Olympiad books including previous year papers, prep guide, workbook, reasoning books and mastery materials. On the next page, you will see the price list for each book across all the subjects and class levels. Now, here's how to fill the form. First, take your preferred exam date. Then, fill in the number of book copies needed for each class. Then, total the copies and amount in each subject section. After that, complete the order summary table. Fill the total number of all the copies and amount for each Olympiad. After that, here, fill the grand total copies of all the Olympiad books with grand total amount. On the last page, fill in the required school details such as SOF school code, school name, school address, and contact information. In the final section, fill out the payment details. You can choose between online and offline payment methods. Also, select your preferred courier option. This is all about the manual book ordering process, which often involves detailed paperwork, manual calculations, and can take up considerable time and effort. To simplify the process and make it more efficient, we highly recommend using our online ordering platform. It offers several advantages. Saves time and effort, no need to send physical order forms, easy access to bulk order benefits, faster processing and confirmation. Let's see how to order online. Just scan the QR code or visit school.mtg.in. You will be guided through a simple portal where you can create your order requirements and submit your order direct. Note, please use only one method to place your order, either online or offline, to avoid duplication or confusion in processing. We hope this video helps you place your book orders quickly and accurately. Stay tuned for more helpful videos in our SOF Brochure series.